how's life treating you guys? This is Randy Yilong by Live TV and long time no see. I know it's been a while since I made a video like this. It's hard for me to catch up with things like the time, weather, blah blah blah. That's why I'm so thankful to Eric for giving me a chance to have a look on this K3 pen machine from Yilong. So come and join me. Let's take a look on this Yilong K3 pen, if it's suitable for outlining, for stippling, for thin lines, for power lines, and for shading. Okay, are you ready? I'm so excited. Let's go. And before we do the test drive, let's have a quick unboxing. I would like to show you guys what is inside the black hard case. There is a thin wired RCA cord, a USB Type-C connection wire for the battery charger, 2 pieces 3.7 Li-ion battery, and the K3 pen machine. This is also giving you the option to use a power supply if you want to work with lower volts, and to use a battery if you want to use it wireless. To turn it on, just hold the circle button for 3 seconds and the down button to reduce the volts and upper button to increase. This machine is working at 4.2 volts the lowest and working at 12 volts on the maximum speed. Wow, that's rad. This machine is made of space aluminum alloy. The stroke is 3.5mm. The motor is a high-speed custom motor by Yilong. Voltage output is 4.5 to 12 volts. Speed is between 8,000 RPM to 10,000 RPM. Battery capacity is 1,900 milliamperes. Charging time is 2 hours and it can run for more than 8 hours. Wow, cool.